Clay Shop Beauty Babe products, anyone can achieve a wonderful glow. A beauty routine mustn't just start with the makeup. Prepping of the skin and styling of the hair are just as important as products like rouge and shadow. After your curls have been set and combed, use a face cream to nourish the skin before makeup. You must always prep the skin before a foundation is applied. Now apply a foundation that matches the skin. Gently rub the product in with your fingertips to ensure a smooth finish. Now rouge is applied. It is blended gently on the upper cheekbones for a more youthful look. We want to enhance the skin, not cover it. Using a powder puff, use a light amount of powder to make the skin appear more matte and Eyes are the most important part of any beauty routine. To make the eyes stand out, use a teal shade all over the lid. Gorgeous. No eye is complete without a thin black line near the lashes. This will further ensure a lifted look. Now apply a layer of mascara atop the lashes. No suitors can resist eyes like these. It's time for lipstick. Choose a red or plum, as pink is much too scandalous. When applying, make sure not to go over the natural lip line. As you can see, a beauty routine can change the way a person looks, all while retaining natural elegance. You too can achieve such beauty with Charlotte's Clay Shop's new products from the Beauty Babes line. Available July 18th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time at charlottesclayshop.com.